Okay, guys, I know this is a stupid question, right? But I don't think it has ever been properly answered, right? Uh, the question is, which came first between the egg and the chicken, right? So I don't know what got me thinking about this, ne? Uh, but I was like, hey, like this has never been answered. So I googled it to find out what's the actual answer, right? So I'm gonna read it off for you from Google, right? Uh, so Google says, uh, which came first, the egg or the chicken, right? Uh, so just to just go straight to the answer, they saying the egg came first. Okay. Now the reasoning behind this is that chicken come from eggs, right? But eggs come from chicken. So which came first, right? That's what they wrote. Most biologists, right, state unequivocally that the egg came first. At their most basic level, eggs are just female sex cells. Hard external eggs that can be laid on land, also known as amniotic eggs, I think, were a game changer for vertebrates, right? So yeah, the egg is such an important step in vertebrate evolution because it allows amniotes to go further and further away from water. Okay, yeah, I guess that's just it. So you got the answer. The biologists and scientists are saying the egg came first. So, okay. So, so I guess the egg just popped up from nowhere. Okay, I guess maybe it was created just like the first human was created by God. So, and then we did reproduction. I guess also the egg, he just created an egg and laid it somewhere and put it somewhere and then it hatched. But did he create one egg for the chicken, or did he also create two eggs, one female egg and one male egg? Well, that's a mystery. Okay, that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share. What do you think? What do you think? Do you think the biologists are correct? The egg came first, or you think the chicken came first? I'd like to hear your comments. Leave your comments, hit the like button, subscribe, dislike this video if you don't like what I posted, or if you don't like me. But if you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Peace out. I'm out.